Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find nearby stores in Ikea. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you're in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of your screen and you can just press on the store symbol there. And now you can just simply press on select store and you can just find nearby stores here. You can see whether they are open or not, and if they are not, you can see when they are going to close, and you can just check them out. You can check out any of them here. You can just simply press on it and press on confirm, and now you can see that you're going to be in the store. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.